In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a to-do list in Notion Calendar. Notion Calendar works a little differently from typical to-do apps. You don't build a checklist directly on the calendar. Instead, you create tasks in a Notion database, give them dates, and the calendar becomes a visual schedule of those tasks. That's the key idea. Tasks are database items with dates, and the calendar simply displays them. Once your database is connected, anything with a date shows up automatically as an event. Let's start with the best method, which gives you a real to-do list that syncs to the calendar. First, open Notion itself, not the calendar app. Create a new page and choose either a table or a list view. Both work, so pick what you like. Add 3 properties: name for the task title, date for when the task should appear, and an optional status or checkbox if you want an easy way to mark progress. The date property is essential. Without it, the task won't show on the calendar. Now add a few tasks. For example, you might create Finish Report and assign April 15th and Study with April 16th. The most important part is to set a date for each task. If a task doesn't have a date, it won't appear in the calendar. Next, connect your database to Notion Calendar. Open the Calendar app, go to Settings, then Notion Databases, and select the task database you just created. As soon as it's connected, every item with a date will show up on the calendar automatically. From here, you can treat the calendar like a to-do board for your time. Drag a task to reschedule it, click any task to edit details, and use time blocks to plan your day. This setup is often called a personal task tracker in Notion because it keeps your tasks organized while mapping them onto your schedule. If you want something quick and simple without creating a database, you can make a basic to-do directly in Notion Calendar. Click a date and time slot, type the task name, and save. This creates a lightweight task event. Just keep in mind, it won't include a checkbox or full task management features. It's ideal for quick reminders or one-offs. That's it. Use the database method when you want structured tasks that sync and scale, and use the quick method when you just need a fast entry. Set dates thoughtfully, keep titles clear, and let your calendar do the heavy lifting.